Dear students, today I would like to give you some important questions from the subject of business statistics for BBA second semester students. So unit wise we will discuss. First unit is introduction to statistics actually. So from this chapter, what is statistics? Explain its importance and scope. What is statistics? Explain its importance and scope. What are the parts of a table? What are the parts of a table? What are the advantages and limitations of graphs? What are the advantages and limitations of graphs? What is tabulation? What is tabulation? Explain the importance and the objectives of tabulation. Explain the importance and objectives of tabulation. These are the important questions from first unit. Coming to second unit, measures of central tendency. What is a measure of central tendency? What are the various types of measures of central tendency? What is a measure of central tendency? What are the various types of measures of central tendencies? And in this chapter, you may have to solve problems relating to measures of central tendency as well as range or quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, or skewness or kurtosis. Okay. Now coming to third chapter, that is index numbers. What are index numbers? What are the characteristics of index numbers? What are index numbers? What are the characteristics of index numbers? Explain the process of construction of weighted and unweighted index numbers. Weighted and unweighted index numbers. How do you construct them? And explain the problems in construction of index numbers. Construction of index numbers. What are the problems that you face in construction of index numbers? Coming to fourth unit. Fourth unit is probability. From probability, what is sampling? Explain the reasons for sample survey. Why a person chooses a sample survey? What are the reasons? That is an important question. What is addition theorem and what is multiplication theorem? What is addition theorem and what is multiplication theorem? Write about probability and non-probability sampling methods. Probability and non-probability sampling methods. Write about probability and non-probability sampling methods. And coming to fifth chapter, that is correlation. What is correlation? What are the different types of correlation? What are the different types of correlation? What are the limitations of coefficient of correlation? What are the limitations of coefficient of correlation? Explain about Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation and explain about Spearman's rank correlation. What is regression? And about time series. What is time series? Problems may be given from correlation or regression or time series. This is about important questions pertaining to BBA second semester. Thank you very much, dear students. All the best.